Hail Specialists Canada provides the highest quality hail repair available. This gives you lower costs, reduced wait times, and higher customer satisfaction.
Hail Specialists Canada is a national paintless dent repair team that follows hailstorms and helps insurance companies, dealerships, body shops, car rental agencies, and private individuals to fix their hail-damaged cars anywhere in Canada.
Thunderstorm warning for southern Saskatchewan at 4:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday, July 3rd, 2011. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for the city of Regina.
In Regina, as always, we had technicians and management on site within 48 hours. We can set up hail repair facilities to handle estimating with or without appraisals. Repair, quality control, and administration, all in one convenient location, or we can send people wherever they are needed.
Since arriving here a few months ago, we have been helping our various customers to repair their vehicles efficiently and to the highest quality standards, thereby reducing costs. Each project is different and we can adapt. For instance, here in Regina, we have fixed upwards of 1,000 vehicles with just 8 technicians. But we can employ up to 50 techs for a big storm like the one in Calgary last year, which caused the most damage in Canadian history. So let's see some of our techs in action. This is our R&I technician who strips the inside of the vehicle so that we can repair it.
Each dent has to be fixed one at a time. We use the latest tools and techniques to get the best results possible. We did not invent PDR, but we have advanced the process.
All our work comes with a lifetime warranty and a 100% satisfaction guarantee. The customer must be happy or we will make it right at no extra charge. So for the highest quality standards available, contact Hail Specialists Canada.